Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create an account on Wise. Begin by visiting wise.com in your web browser. Locate and click on the register button. Enter your email address into the provided field and click next to proceed. Choose whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. For this example, let us select a personal account. Select your country from the list provided. Click on continue to move forward. Enter your phone number for verification purposes. Wise will send a verification code to this number. Click on send verification code and then enter the code you receive. Optionally, you can click on get the app if you prefer to continue the process on your mobile device. If you choose to proceed on the website, click on log in. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google account by selecting this option and following the prompts. Choose the Google account you wish to use or click continue to proceed with the regular login. Once all steps are completed, use your Wise account will be successfully created and you can start using their services for international transfers and currency exchange. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.